Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Stellar XLM. I'm talking about the huge news of the XLM. The huge gains occurs by Stellar and the start of June. We talk about this. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So the latest update of XLM at this time in the market as 0.384466 USD dollar. That is the latest price update of the XLM, my friends. On the other side, if we talk about the price in so in the XLM, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, and last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. Only the yesterday pricing is negative, except after yesterday pricing, the whole change is going positive, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Stellar XLM. Very happy. I can't believe that it is XLM. Really appreciate this time in XLM. So now, my friends, that's clear that it's time to invest in the XLM and it's time to hold XLM, because now the pumping time of Stellar XLM starts now. So please hold and don't decide to sell, my friends. Anyways, if we look the last 1 month price chart of the XLM, so you can see here that the price change occurred in the XLM in the last 1 month as negative 37.81%. The pricing is still negative due to the previous very bad jumps, my friends. So if you decide to sell at this time, for instance, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, my friends, so you will get a profit, my friends. Maybe in the future there is a chance to take a jump, my friends. So don't decide to sell and only hold and invest. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Stellar XLM? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos.